Welcome to the video on how to add a product that is not available in Amazon's catalog. Here's how you can add a product. Log into your Seller Central account. Hover over Catalog tab and click on Add Products. Click on I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. On this page, you can see various categories to browse from. Find the relevant category and the subcategory in which you want to list your product. Click on the Select option from here. Alternatively, you can also search for the category by typing the product name in the search bar. The search result will show all the categories that your product can be listed under. Now, check for the relevant path and click on Select. You will be redirected to the listing page where you can start entering product details. It is best to click on More Attributes to enable fields that are recommended and optional, which will help in product discoverability. The mandatory information to be filled are highlighted in red, and you can hover over this icon to get details about these options. Under the Vital Info tab, fill in the mandatory information of the product like product ID, item name, brand name, manufacturer part number, etc. If the product that you are selling is available in different sizes, color, or other theme, you can enter the details in Variations tab. In the Offer tab, provide selling price, condition, maximum order quantity, MRP, and select the relevant fulfillment channel. You may add information in the Compliance tab, along with the safety guidelines, if your products contain batteries. Under the Images tab, you can add up to 9 images of your product. Make sure to go through the image guidelines of your product category before uploading. Under the Description tab, fill the product description and add bullet points that are the key product features which a customer should definitely be aware about. You need to click on Add More to enter all the bullet points. Under Keywords, we advise you to enter the search terms in order for the products to appear in search results to relevant shoppers. Under More Details tab, you can enter additional information about the product. Once the product details are filled, click on Save and Finish. Your product listing is now submitted. It will take up to 15 minutes for the listing to reflect in the Manage Inventory page. That wraps up our video on adding a product not sold on Amazon. Thank you and happy selling!